Alrighty. So here we go. This is an MS-180c chainsaw. It's a smaller easy start chainsaw. Let's see what I want to show you here. First, if you notice, when the pull rope pulls, these two legs pop out so it can spin the engine. So that's important to know. The orientation, the spring, you lift up and pull it up and over, and then it comes out, and you can lift up this mechanism which holds the cord, and also this is the easy start portion. Let me make sure I'm getting this right here. You can see it all. Yeah, you should be able to see it all fine. And I did this because I wanted it to be clear on the video. There was one other person that showed this, and it did not do a good enough job. I think you'll find that this is a little more easier to view. Here is a spring. So I'm going to remove the retainer, I'm going to call it. Everything goes to plan. Okay, here we go. There we go. You can see that it's lifted off that section, and now lifted off that section, and you can see this is how it went in. So I'm going to set it aside. I'm going to lift up on the I'm going to remove the inner housing. There's an inner housing here which allows you to grab this and pull up. This is the easy start assembly. I'm going to set it to the side, and I'm going to lift up from here the cord, and this is where the spring sits in. And you can see that this is coiled and set in a way that once I can set it down, it will fall in to that area. Now I'm going to open the package. I'll put the part number in the notes, plus a link to where you can get them, hopefully, if I can find one. Maybe someone on Amazon sells them. I know someone on eBay did, but no one answers your questions. So I called someone in Dover, Tennessee, who knows the stuff, and he said he'd have one for me, and I went and got it. And I'm going gingerly with this because I don't want it to break on me and try and separate. And it's just not going to be easy. Okay, all right. So this is what the OEM one out of a package actually looks like. So now I need to go get some tools, and I'll be back. All right, let's see, right here, That fits over, it gets larger, and I'm going to rotate this some, and it just dropped into place. I don't know if you noticed that, but it did drop into place once I sat it down. Since I won't get a second chance at this, okay, let's take a look. It sat down right there once I got it in place. So again, it goes through center shaft, it gets large, and now I'm rotating it till it sits right down and it dropped, and it's locked. Okay, it's locked. So let me come in here and try and push down lightly, and it went in. Push down here. I'm holding firm down everywhere so I can push in the spring, and the spring went down. I'm going to come over on this side. I hope you can see this, and push down here. That went down. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. I'm going to make sure that's pushed down. I'm going to come over here and push down on this side here. That all seams down. So I'm going to rotate this and then do it again to make sure everything is down. And I don't want to let up on that because it's fixing to go. You may get yourself a show. And if I don't get it right the first time, you're not going to see it a second time. Okay. All right, I'm going to let go and pull up ever so lightly. And there you have it. I have that installed. And looking here, let me come on up and show you. You should be able to read the number, or maybe not. Probably not. But it has written on here, well, let me see if I can change the lighting. Can I change the lighting at all? Right. This is the old handle, and as you can see, the old handle, and it just basically has a knot. You can see the cable. The clean part there is new, and it's stretched, but I got the same twine is same twine that it came with. All right, I ended up winding the string. Let me show you the whole way. This part goes down. You can see a white piece right there. So it goes this way, and as I rotate it this way, that white piece is a guide, which gets the rope over, the twine over on this side, it appears. This is my speculation. And then I'm just going to continue to roll it. And I'm not making it super tight, but it's snug because I don't want it going anywhere. And as I'm getting close, I'm going to say that is close because I made it extra length. I'm going to fill it, push it through this hole here. going to try to get it through that hole. Come in here and set that down, and it fell into place as well. You saw that, I hope. Let me pull this just a little more. Okay. Going to hold this in place using vice grips. Okay, so this should be fine. There's tension there. You see this piece is up this direction. This piece sets back down. And then if I got this right, and I do, this piece sets down here with the needle nose to pull this piece over. Okay. There we go. I did that with my hand, and I'm not gonna. Okay, you can see that little spinning, that they're going to be coming out the right direction. So I'm good with that. This is in place. Now what I'm going to do off camera is basically run this rope through here and tie it off. Stand by. All right, kind of a quick shout out. I got a pack of 3 of these Husky blades, and they're very, very good. It's all metal. And here I went and grabbed my Weller. I have at least 4 sets of these. They do break over time, but these are ESD. But what they do is they cut very well. They're very, very sharp, very, very good, and of course, wear safety glasses. All right, so I'm going to come on up through here. Then, and I'm going to do this off camera, but what I got to do is just pull this, make it taut, and then tie it off. So with that, I'll show you after I install the saw. I'm certain that if you've gotten this far, then you're good. All right, thanks for watching, and I'll have all these numbers up so you can see what they are. And again, this was the part that was on order. And the number here was, I think, a 194. No, 195 in the center. So it was 195 for the plastic piece. Okay, thanks for watching. Come on, there you go. All right, let's see. All right. You should be able to see the correct operation right there. Again, thanks for watching.